the wheel spacers work on your BMW G30? BMW G30 wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality BMW G30 wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. BMW G30 wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The life of the vehicle will be safer, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using BMW G30 wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, or the suspension component, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good BMW G30 wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of BMW G30 wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest security and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test reports. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size from 3mm to 15mm. BONOSS BMW G30 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will therefore endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, the benefit of the lightweight plastic design of BONOSS forged BMW G30 wheel spacers means that the whole design is further optimized. Based on the traditional BMW G30 wheel spacers, it is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption and improving handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced by 20%. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance is better and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.